Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be doing a review of a very rare model. They were very This model has never been made, only once by BBR, and that vanished just like this. I mean, they were out of the market. I mean, so many people bought it. I mean, few people bought it actually. It was very limited edition, and it just vanished. And then after years, some Chinese company, I forgot the name of that company, they made the model kit of that. I mean, they made the model kit and you have to do all the rest part and you have to build it, which was quite difficult, I mean, for this model, but it came out very nice. I bought it, I bought that kit from China and it came out very nice. But it's a very rare model of Ferrari in the reality as well, only one in the world, and the models are, I mean, the model makers don't make it, only BBR did the job, and it was few models made and they vanished just like that. All the big collectors have it and I was too late for that. And when I saw this kit in the market and I had to got it, it was quite cheap though, but it came out really nice. I mean, you have to paint it everything, I mean, you have to build everything in it. It was just raw, but I forgot the name of the maker. Maybe they still have it, but you have to search it on the net. But yeah, anyways, this one is Ferrari P4/5, which is quite rare, and I'll be reviewing this model. And there are some its and buts in it because I made it, so I assembled it, painted it, and glued it, and everything was done by me. So there are some things which I'll show you, but other than that, this model looks perfect in the collection and I love it till then and till now as well. So let me move towards the model and show you the model and share the details of it. So here it is, Ferrari P4/5. It was designed by Pininfarina. Please don't mind it, I always forget the name. But yeah, starting with the cover, I mean, this was made over here as well by myself, and it's acrylic sheet. You have to just glue it together according to the base, and the base is of some Ferrari model from, I think, Mezzo or Brago. So I used that. We have a Ferrari logo over here, and over here it was some description of that model, which the base was for, which I did it in black. So I don't even remember that as well. But other than that, this is the model, guys, and the base do come off. I mean, it's a rare model, so I thought, why not make a base of it for that, and the plastic cover, acrylic cover as well, to keep it out of the dust. But yeah, you can see the wear and tear, a little bit of it is there, but overall it's perfect. The paint job is not done by me, the body paint, rest is done by me, but the body paint is not done by me. It was I took it to a car painter and over here in local, so he did the paint and it was perfect. But other than that, everything was painted by me and glued by me, and I assembled all the things. Talking about the lights, you can see the lights over here. I tried my level best to bring it to that originality, but there are some its and buts in it, so bear that. Talking about the front grille, it came out really nice in it, and the paint work done on this is quite amazing. I was not expecting, but they did a very good job in it because they were professional car painters, so they painted very well. But these are the decals. They don't come with it. I had it with me, so I used those, the ones I had. So that was a big help as well. Even on the side ones as well, like this Pininfarina badge over here as well. I think this came with it. No, yeah, it came with it. So yeah, and the grill in the center of the scoop, the fans and everything, you can see it's quite nicely made. You have to color the fans to give it a look. And the front grill as well over here, and the scoops. And then we have this plate over here which came with the model P4 Pininfarina /5. So I just have to paste it over here, which I did. So the worst part was cutting the glass sheet from the back. I mean, it was the big hassle, and you can see the way it is cut. I mean, it never came out the way it should be, but other than that, it's perfect. But it was quite difficult actually. It was in a curve, so it was quite difficult to manage it, and it was really difficult. And you can see there are some spots of glues and everything, because you have to stick the side mirrors, and then this piece as well for the window, which is just an effect, aluminum effect over here. So it was quite difficult. Other than that, the engine bay was easy. I mean, you have to paint it. As you can see, it's all painted, and then aluminum effect over here as well. The exhaust tips, they should have been a little lower, but it came a little high in size, so bear with that. But other than that, it's perfect. You can see the back grille, huge. Even the exhaust tips, you can see see-through back grille. And the plate, this came as well. This Ferrari badge over here, it came with it. But because of the gluing, I mean, this was my first, I mean, I did it after a quite long time, so I was out of practice, so that was the reason. And even you have to paint the lights as well, which I did, and they came out quite good actually, not bad actually. It was a good experience with this model. Even the side reflectors as well over here, the glue has destroyed them, but they came out really nice. This one is quite better. Little improvement over here. Maybe this is the last one, maybe that's the reason there was an improvement. And over here as well, you can see the reflectors, but the glue is there and it's really bad. And had to whip paint the wheels, and they came out really nice in gray color. And the rubber tires which I used are from my model. I mean, I had a broken model of Murcielago from Miozzo, so they fit really well on this model, so I used those with it, and they came out really nice, as you can see. And these decals came with it, I think, the Ferrari, the center knob decals. No, I used them from my other ones. But yeah, and then talking about the interior, it was quite a fun making the interior, painting it and putting it all the details in it, the Ferrari things in it, and everything was quite an amazing experience. As you can see, I mean, all the paintwork job and everything was a good experience in it. Even the wiper, you can see, you have to stick it over here, and it's not bad actually for the first timer like me making this model. But overall, the model is in perfect condition, and I really love this model. I mean, it's in Ferrari Enzo's chassis and chassis supposedly, and it's one of one in the real world, so it was must to have in the collection. And I really love the shape and everything of this model, quite amazing. And you can see the scoops as well, the aerodynamics used for it, going in the door and then towards the engine, and the linings and everything is perfect on this model. So yeah, even over here you can see on the back they gave the aluminum stuff, I mean, to put it over there, which was assembled properly by me, and to prevent it from the fire and everything, the cockpit, which is quite good. Really like the curves on it. The glass curves are amazing. The door opens still air in the original car, but this is resin, so it's all sealed pack. they are small Asian parts. I mean, there's opening over here. I mean, I cut the body wrongly, so that was the reason. I mean, there's a gap over here, you can see. So it was the first experience you have to, in which you have to paint the black to bring, I mean, just like the original car. I mean, these are solid parts, so in this car it was a plastic, so you have to paint that and give a look of it. So yeah, you have to study all this, I mean, quite well. I mean, they do send a manual, but you have to look in the original car for each small details. I mean, the worst part in this, which I really don't like, is the cutting of this grill over here. So it was quite irritating for me, but this is the only piece I had, so I have to do it the way it is. But the plastic is quite hard, so it was quite hard to cut it, and it is curved as well, so it was not getting a proper placing on the flat floor. So that was the reason. I mean, it was quite difficult to cut. But other than that, and other than this, the model came out really nice. Other few glue things which I mentioned before are a little disturbing in this model, but other than that, it's a perfect model. Came out really nice. The paint work, the guys did a very good job on the paint, which is quite amazing. And the interior was done by me, as I said, and it came out really nice. And the wheels as well, they were, I never expected that the paint will match or something. I was very confused, but they came out really nice, and they look really nice. As you can see, they look really nice. And yeah, at the back you can see the grill and everything came out okay, other than these glue sticking. I mean, glue is over there, I mean, over here as well. So it's just because, I mean, it was quite difficult to manage these things. They were supposed to do it. I should have done it before placing this, but somehow when I placed it, I remember I have to place in the badge, the plate and everything. But yeah, the lights came out really nice. I really liked the lights, I mean, the effect of it. And I never expected that, but it was easy. I mean, you have to just buy the glass paint and put the lights, the paint in the lights, and it was quite easy. The front lights, though, I was not that satisfied, but they came out not that good. They should have been much more improved in it. I mean, I should have improved them, but never came out that good. I'm not that satisfied with the lights quality which I made. And the plastic do came out really nice, and it fits perfect on both the lights. You have to cut it. It's part of the main plastic sheet. I mean, it comes like that. I mean, you have to cut it from there. So yeah, guys, this is the model I really wanted to share. I was hesitant to share it because of the defects I've created in this model, but I thought, why not share it with you guys? It's a good experience, so I thought share it, and let's see what you guys think about it and what you comment on it. So yeah, guys, this is Ferrari P4, one of one in the world and very rare model in the model industry. Yes, it is quite difficult to find. It's a Chinese brand, and you can search on the net. I forgot the name, sorry guys. I mean, there is no labeling of it or anything. It's here with me for more than 5 years, I think now, and seriously, and I don't remember the name, but you can search it by the model kit of Ferrari P4, so maybe it pops out, or maybe not. But if you're lucky enough to find it, you can. Yeah. So yeah, guys, what do you think? Do let me know, and thank you for watching the videos, and please do subscribe to my channel. Really means a lot. And till the next video, do take care and goodbye. See you soon.